Welcome to Kunui. Hi, I am Anand Shayan and we are going to introduce you to the Prime Cuber.
Also known as Rubik's Cube solver. So let's show you what it does. So basically it solves Rubik's Cube. So this ultrasonic sensor detects when the Rubik's Cube is there. When the Rubik's Cube is there, it will start the job. This color sensor and this motor, medium motor, work together to scan the Rubik's Cube. Once it scans one part of the Rubik's Cube, this motor will turn, causing it to go to the next part. When this motor, and I guess you could say this one also, are turning, it causes the whole Rubik's Cube face to be scanned. Then it needs to flip. This arm helps it flip. So it's
not
just
really that much of a real arm.
It just grabs the cube and then holds it back and then brings it back. So let's start the program.
We did the checkerboard pattern.
So okay. So we're scanning the one face.
Inside.
Yes.
Right now, it's scanning. After it's done scanning, then it'll start actually solving.
So one scan. If the scan is insufficient, then okay, it's okay. So now it starts to turn. It sometimes doesn't turn always the easy way. I mean, solve it. So it's spinning. Now it has finished solving it. So it looks good now. So now we know that a Lego can actually solve a Rubik's Cube.
This is like time.
Bye. Remember to leave a like and subscribe. That helps a lot. Thanks. Bye.